In this video, we're going to be talking about the Sony A7S3, Slog3, and the noise that comes with every single ISO. So there's a lot of talk about Slog3 and the noise that comes along with this picture profile. Me personally, I don't think that it is a quote-unquote noisier profile. I just think that it needs to be shot properly and graded properly in post. But anyways, I did want to do my own tests and see exactly what the noise print was from each ISO. So what I did was put a lens cap on, ran through every ISO to break down the noise print at every single ISO, including the extended ISOs on the back end and the far end. So first thing we'll look at is every single ISO for 5 seconds. Then at the end of that, we'll run through every ISO again at 5x zoom. Then we'll run through every ISO really quickly at the end so you can see how the noise increases and then decreases and then increases again because of that dual native ISO. So there it is, guys. That should give you a good idea of the noise print at each ISO level, but I do recommend that you go out and, you know, do your own real world testing with this picture profile. Play around with exposing it different ways. I know that's kind of a big controversial topic, so really just get out, do your own testing, pixel peep if you have to. You know, check out the noise levels at each ISO in real world situations. In my opinion, this is the best picture profile to use on this camera, and I think that it can be graded pretty easily if you do enough testing, you expose properly, and you just put in a little bit of time in color grading, and the results are going to be amazing. That's going to do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.